Hello guys and welcome back to the channel CRYPTOP. Today we're gonna be talking about a massive event, especially on MEXC. $1 million prize pool awaits, especially in this event, Solana Eco Month. Today we have a lot of things to discover. As you can see, we have a plenty of things and events that we can join and tasks to do and earn massive rewards. For sure, this is not financial advice. Always do or before getting into anything I share with you in my YouTube channel. And let's get into it.
Audio Jungle.
As you can see guys, this is the $1 million prize pool. As you can see, this is all of the landing page. We have plenty of options, exclusive events, and much more things. And as always, I really like MEXC platform. They offer all the things that you need to kickstart your journey in the crypto. As you can see, we have the landing page here. We have all the things most trending tokens. We have comprehensive liquidity. As we all know, MEXC have a deep liquidity, lowest fees possible, and the highest transaction speed, which is super amazing, guys. You can check out all these details. Also, you can buy crypto with plenty of options. They have a markets, Bitcoin, all the altcoins, and major crypto in the space, sports, futures. As I told you guys, this is your easiest way to crypto. Then here, as you can see, we have the Solana Eco month in this top of this page, and this is the page. You'll find a direct link down below in the description so you can get into it and learn more about it. And today we're gonna discover all these details. As you can see, the event ends in 22 days, 20 hours, 24 minutes, so we still have time to join this massive event. So the first thing that you should do here is to click register now. As you can see, registration successful, and now you are in. And let's dive in the tasks and all the important things. First of all, we have zero fees, which is super amazing. Unlock zero fees. Discover, let's zoom in here, discover the full potential of Solana with no fees holding you back. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders alike. So this is super amazing. Also, they have a staking. You can stake Sol to unlock 400% APR. So if you are holding Solana, this is the right time, and this is the case to stake the Solana for more incomes. So this is how it works. You can go here. As you can see here in this section, we have all the crypto available to stake. So we can check out all those peers, especially here we have Solana. You can click subscribe, and here end of those subscription cap is 3 Sol. As you can see, we have all the details here in our balance. So to make a deposit super easy, you can go here, click deposit. As you can see, to add some Sol into your wallet. If you have USDT, you can swap it directly, but if you don't have Solana, you can make a deposit over here. This is your Solana address in Sol chain. You can send funds and you are in. You can come back to this page, go to subscribe. For sure, this is not financial advice. Always do as I told you. And as you can see, you can put the amount, as you can see, between 0.6 and 3 Sol. Subscribe. This is the timeline. As you can see, this is the deadline, as you can see, and in 22 days I have read all the terms and click subscribe. Super easy. Now let's come back here. We have also a spin for Solana Spinfest. How to do to join? Click join now. This is the page. So here, as you can see, $100,000 in rewards up for grabs. So let's see the tasks and how it works. As you can see, you can scroll down here, click draw. So you need to complete the task to get the draw. So what is the task? Over here, click register now. First, as you can see, it's done. Then let's scroll down here. So here we have the tasks. So cumulative deposit. So to get one spin for every 100 USDT in cumulative deposits during the event up to one spin. So you can click deposits, go to make your deposit, super easy. As I already explained, you can go here, click deposit, choose the network, paste it 20 for zero fees, copy, make your deposit, super easy. For the total spot trading volume for specified pairs, you can earn one chance for every 100 USDT in spot trading volume with a maximum of one chance. So this is how it works. The terms are very easy. Total spot trading volume for specified pairs. As you can see, you can earn one chance for every 3000 USDT in spot trading volume with a maximum of one chance. So if you are doing your normal trades or you are using this platform, you have a plenty of options, plenty of advantages, especially on their events. So you can earn more while you are doing your normal trades. You can get some points to do your or to get or to maximize from this event. As you can see, the total futures trading volume, earn one chance for every 1000 USDT in futures trading volume with a maximum of one chance. So we have a plenty of things that you can discover by yourself. I will put the link right into the description. So here we have the spot trading event. So you can trade the spot to share 650 SOL. During the event, you can complete the following tasks to earn the corresponding rewards. So here you can learn more. Here always you'll find the details. As you can see, for the task 1 for new users exclusive, as you can see, you can complete at least 100 USDT in Sol USDT and maintain a total spot holding of 100 USDT or more in any token by the end of the event to receive 0.065 Sol. It's limited for the first 5,000 users only. And here we have the second task. So you can boost your trading volume. You can trade at least 5,000 USDT in Sol USDT pair during the event to receive a share of 325 Sol distributed proportionally based on your trading volume. Max rewards per user 6.5 Sol. So this is massive. If you are trading Solana, this is the right time. You can trade on MEXC for lowest fees, for high-speed transaction, for deep liquidity, and you are in this massive event to earn some rewards. So this is the futures trading. So trade futures to share 100,000 USDT in futures bonuses. During the event, participate in the following tasks to earn corresponding rewards. So for sure here we have trade now. You can go directly to the page and trade, as I didn't explain this. So you can go here. As you can see, this is the page. You can choose limit order, buy or markets. You can buy or add some USDT into your wallet, buy the token, sell it, and trade it as you go. So here is how it works. For this event, you can go trade now the futures. As you can see, you can go here. So this is the futures in Sol USDT pair. You can make a long or short positions. Let's see how it works. So if you are trading Solana using futures, as you can see, this is the case. You can go add some deposits, use limits or market orders based on your strategy. We have the leverage, as you can see, up to 300x. Whoa, super amazing, guys. As you can see, it's super risky, but it's based on your risk management and your strategy. As you can see, you can use the leverage, long or short positions, and you are in. So here we have more details. As you can see, minimum trading volume is $500. You will get $3 bonus. $1,000 you will get $10 bonus. For the second task, we have here the futures trading leaderboard. You can check out here all the details. $3,000 for rewards with a minimum trading volume of $500 million. You can check out all these tables for more details. And also here we have a Sol Seeking. I think we've already discovered this one. Stake Sol, get MEXC Sol and earn up to 13% APY. You can stake Sol to receive MEXC Sol and earn up to 8% APR. Hold your MEXC Sol to earn an additional 5% APY for a total of 13 APY. Rewards are limited for first come, first served as always. For exclusive events, we have some tokens, Me, Meo, Pamp, Pengo, Bank. We have Saros also. You can join to earn rewards. For example, let's go with me or Mel. It's massive tokens with massive events, especially on MEXC. Mel Party 50,000 USDT in rewards up for grabs. Here we have all the details. So we have plenty of options and exclusive offers over here that you can join for sure. Featured events, so you can earn, or the referral to earn. So you can invite friend to join MEXC and earn up to 100 USDT in rewards. Also, new user welcome gifts. Sign up on MEXC and unlock up to $8,000 in rewards to kickstart your trading journey. Over here we have trending on Solana, all the tokens that you can go and trade, available on MEXC, relevant articles about Solana and other tokens for educational. This is why I really like MEXC, because they offer plenty of options, educational, and help you to simplify your trading or your crypto journey. Basically, this is the terms and conditions, and this is the features of the landing page. And to create an account, super easy. All you need to do is put your email, password, and do the captcha. Agree the terms. You will receive a code right to your email. Push it there. Do your KYC to trade freely on the platform, and you are in. You'll find the link down below in the description, guys. This is the end of this massive video about this massive reward pool of $1 million. This is the end. As I told you, find all the links down below in the description. See you next videos. Peace out.